Hi everyone, let's start by looking at a theorem about parallel lines. Let's say that line A is parallel to line B as indicated, so we can write it like this: A is parallel to B. And if you have line B, that same line B is also parallel to line C, so we can write that as B parallel to C. Then we can conclude that line A is parallel to C. We can write it right over here. So A is parallel to C. Alright, let's take a look at another theorem. And the requirement for this theorem is that all the lines must be on the same plane. So let's say you have line M, and line M is perpendicular to line P. So let's indicate it by this box. And we also have line N, and line N is also perpendicular to the same line P. So if that is the case, then we can conclude that line M is parallel to line N. Alright, so now we can look at the perpendicular transversal theorem. So if you have line L and line L is perpendicular to line M, so let's indicate it with the box. And we also know that line M is parallel to line N. So if that is the case, then we can extend line L in this direction. It goes on forever. And line L is also perpendicular to line N. So just by knowing that the two lines M and N are parallel and that line L is perpendicular to one of the lines, in this case line M, then we can say that line L is also perpendicular to line N. And that is called the perpendicular transversal theorem. Alright, so we reached the end and we're still happy.